am the God of the God, and you are too. Consciousness for me is me. And I'm not a thread of any other God. I'm not a spark from the intimate fire. I'm quite the opposite. I am the God of the God, and you are too. And
So
so
that means
is
somewhere we're connected in
no,
that.
no. We're all that one God. And I don't buy into, um, we're all interconnected in this way. As I take up space, I push other gods aside, right?
Mhm.
I'm born, I take my first breath, get out of my fucking way. Okay? So, like Heidegger says this, being is violence. It's the natural violence of being. So life is a violent, violent space.